Hi there! So today we have a science experiment that we are going to share with you. We call these composting bottles, and what's inside are rotting vegetable and fruit scraps. I know it looks gross, but it's neat to see how they break down, and as the gas is released, the balloons are inflated. So very easy experiment that you can do at home.
Yes, they are.
Yes, they are. So it is neat to see the different results because the different varieties of fruits and vegetables will release more gas than the others, and some of the balloons will end up bigger than the other ones. So I hope that you guys enjoy this short video and experiment, and hopefully you try it at home and let us know your results as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Here are the composting bottles labeled with the dates they were filled up with vegetable and fruit scraps, as well as when they were sealed with balloons. Today is October 9th, so starting from left to right here, you can see that the biggest one there, or the most inflated balloon, is the one that was filled up on October 5th because it has had more time for the vegetable and or fruit scraps to break down, releasing more gas. So a couple here from 3 days ago, and then just a couple of days ago, it's already filling up. It's been 9 days since we started this project, and as you can see, all the balloons are inflated. As the microorganisms break down the vegetable and fruit scraps, methane gas is released, but also ethylene gas as well. Since apples, pears, those kind of fruits, they release ethylene gas as they ripen or as they start to decompose. So great science experiment you can do at home, and when you're done, you can cut the bottles open, put the scraps in your compost pile or your compost tumbler, and use them in your garden. And remember to recycle the bottles. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you found this helpful and fun. Do you remember what's inside the balloons? Yes. Yes, good job, honey.